If you're asked which combat aircraft shows up on camera more often than any other, what's the first one that comes to mind? For many, it's the legendary American carrier-based fighter, the F/A-18. Today we are taking to the skies in this very aircraft, specifically in its most advanced variant, better known as the Super Hornet. Telling the new model apart from its predecessors is easy. The redesigned air intakes stand out immediately, and the fighter itself has noticeably grown in size. Naturally, that added bulk increased weight. The empty airframe gained a full 3 tons. Still, flight performance stayed roughly the same, thanks to more powerful engines. On afterburner, total thrust now reaches nearly 19,000 kilogram forces. Still, the F/A-18E isn't about speed records. At sea level, it manages just over 1,300 kilometers an hour, and at altitude, it doesn't quite reach Mach 2. By these numbers, it lags behind every top-tier fighter. Where the Super Hornet shines instead is maneuverability. It's best not to tangle with nimble light fighters, but among heavy aircraft, this American feels right at home. The aircraft's biggest advantage is sheer firepower. Thanks to additional hardpoints, it can carry up to 12 AIM-120 AMRAAMs, turning battles into a full-on Fox 3 spam fest. In this regard, the Super Hornet matches another American heavyweight, the Golden Eagle, which also received extra missiles in the latest update. Add 2 Sidewinders on the wingtips, and the F/A-18E can carry 14 air-to-air missiles in total. An impressive loadout, comparable to a heavy Su-30. Which AMRAAM variant should you choose? Simple. For long-range, high-altitude engagements, the AIM-120 C5 is the better option. If the fight is likely to be closer in, the AIM-120B performs more effectively. Managing this formidable arsenal is a modern AESA radar, capable of quickly detecting targets and holding a solid lock. And as befits the elite of modern aviation, the Super Hornet also comes equipped with a helmet-mounted sight and an advanced radar warning receiver that not only alerts you to danger, but also identifies the type of threat. The carrier fighter's potential has grown significantly in combined battles as well. Satellite-guided bombs, especially the 2,000-pound variants, fit it perfectly, allowing precision strikes on concentrations of air defenses while staying safely out of reach. Loadouts with infrared seekers are more nuanced. On the one hand, the aircraft can carry up to 6 Maverick missiles, but without triple launchers, it still falls short of the F-16 or the Strike Eagle. On the other hand, only the new F/A-18 can take 6 high-explosive AGM-65s into the air at once, offering the best damage output against virtually any target. Yes, the Super Hornet isn't the absolute champion in speed, maneuverability, or missile count, but it has everything needed to handle any mission. Maybe that balance is exactly what makes it a true all-rounder.